Oh my God. First blizzard of 2016. Trapped in the house. But this girl wanna come play hero. Oh my God. I'm so done. I am so done. Look at this. I just talked to my mom and she suggested that I go outside and clean my car off and remove the snow that's behind my car, because then it will freeze hard and I will have a tougher time when I actually have somewhere to go. My roommate also said that, but I don't feel like going back outside. I need somebody who is willing to get paid to do this. I would give them $50 to shovel out her in my car, not just my car. Any takers? $50. Do you need to see the money? I got the money. All yours. Just come through. Oh my God. First blizzard of 2016. Trapped in the house. But this girl wanna come play hero. Oh my God. I'm so done. Oh my God. Yo. Yo, look at that. Yo. Yo, this can't be life.
Picture of me.
Yo.
Put it up to my knees.
Yo. This is supposed to be the street where we can't even see anything. This crazy girl, man.
Get a picture.
Nobody else is out here but us. Shovel this out? Look at this. We can't even see the front end of her car. Lord, be with us. You might have to do one car every 3 hours. You know, defrost time included. There is nobody on the highway. Nobody on the sidewalk. You see them lights on? Everybody in their house? But no, this chick wanna be outside. She wanna be outside. She crazy. She's crazy.
That's even my car.
Help me! SOS, please. Look how deep this snow is. My whole leg is in there.
Yeah, do this. Your eyelashes look cute though.
Of all things. Oh God, I can't even see. Well, we did hers, now try to do mine. I knew I was gonna be stuck.
I keep sliding.
That's why I was like, it don't matter where we park because the plow will pack snow.
Where's your car, Diamond?
I don't know. Oh. Oh, look, the police is on the road. Come on. Where do they think I'm going? Where do they think I'm going? Nowhere! Look at this. That's supposedly my car. You see all that? I'm not even going to begin to shovel that. That's a never. And I left the door open. Because I'm smart. The rock. So that we can get in it fast.
You need somebody that came in and robbed us.
The aftermath. It's really dark. Probably can't even see my hat melting on me. Or my hair melting on me. Whatever. Something's melting on me. I don't even know what's going on right now. This is the craziest snowstorm. I have been living for 22 years. This is the first time I ever had to shovel snow. Like, look at all of this. Can you see this? Look at all of this. Look at all of these mountainous snow. Like, yo. I shoveled out my car, my roommate's car, my grandfather's driveway. Now I'm about to go shovel out my aunt's driveway. Like, it's crazy out here. It's crazy. People got their whole family working, their husband working, their son working, they working, their wife working, everybody working. And look, it's traffic right there. I can't even, how I'm gonna get through? How am I supposed to get through? Please tell me. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh my god. Oh, he's back here. Don't back out, don't back out. Don't back out, don't back out, don't back out, don't back out, don't back out. Okay. Like, my car is old. It is not made for this. Look, they over here having a snowball fight. We can't even see them. But yeah, it's crazy out here, man. Like, really crazy. I remember when I used to like snow. That was before I had real responsibilities. Now, I don't like snow. No, I don't. Look at this. Where I live. Somebody put this sign. I don't know if you can see it, but it says John Spot, do not park here. And he got all this stuff, man. He is not playing. He was like, I shoveled out my spot. You ain't gonna park